In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an engaging carousel on Squarespace in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in, shall we? First off, head over to Squarespace by typing their website address into your browser. It's the first gateway to showcasing your visuals in a sleek carousel format. Once you're there, you need to log into your account. To do this, simply click on the Login button prominently displayed on the home page. For ease and speed, choose to continue with Google. This allows you to bypass the usual login hurdles by using your Google account. Click on the account that you want to use for Squarespace. It's important to choose the account where you have your Squarespace sites managed, or plan to manage them. After successfully logging in, select the website to which you want to add a carousel. Squarespace hosts a dashboard for each site you manage, making it straightforward to pick the right project you're working on. Next, you need to access the editing mode for your site. There's a direct link to do this, or simply look for an edit button once you're within the specific site's dashboard on Squarespace. Clicking this will take you into the edit mode where the real fun begins. Now, to add the carousel, click on ADD section. It's a call to action inviting you to bring new life to your page. Upon clicking, you're helping pave the way for your carousel's creation. Your next step is clicking on Images. This is because the essence of a carousel lies in visually engaging your audience with pictures that tell a story or convey your brand's message across different slides. For those who eagerly clicked on Images, it's now time to decide on your gallery view. Squarespace offers several. Choose the gallery view that best fits the aesthetic and functionality you're going for. Afterward, look for and click on Edit Gallery. This is where you curate the content of your carousel. You can upload new photos, arrange existing ones, or change them completely. It's crucial to select images that align seamlessly with your message or theme. Once satisfied with your selection and arrangement of photos, click on Close to finalize this step. It's essential to periodically save your progress to prevent losing any changes. Following that, it's time to fine-tune the sectional layout by selecting Edit Section. This is where you make your carousel not just seen, but also felt. The arrangement and flow of images are crucial for storytelling or showcasing your products or services. Here's where we detail. You'll see several layout options such as grid, simple. However, for a carousel, you'll want to select slideshow, real. This option is designed to let your images flow smoothly across the viewer's screen, enabling a dynamic viewing experience. You're also encouraged to personalize the carousel further by changing properties like the sizing. Tailoring these aspects ensures that the carousel not only fits the overall site design, but also enhances the visual hierarchy of your page. The grand finale, click on Save. This button is more than just a way to update your website. It's the bridge to showcasing your newly created carousel to the world. Ensure everything is to your liking, as this saves all your hard work and displays it on your live site. Remember, creating a carousel on Squarespace isn't just about adding images in a sequence. It's about crafting a visually compelling narrative that engages visitors. Whether it's for showcasing your latest photography, highlighting products, or telling your brand story, the right carousel can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your website. So there you have it. A step-by-step guide to adding a carousel to your Squarespace website in 5 minutes. Take the time to experiment with different images and settings to see what works best for your site. With these tips and tricks, you're well on your way to creating an engaging, dynamic carousel that captivates your audience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this.